Hello and welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita and today we are doing lesson number 25, le corps, le corps, which means the parts of the body, and we'll do the parts of the body. Face we have already done. So there's a video, go through it. The links are there in the description box. So over here we are going to do a paragraph reading, then parts of the body, pronouns, definite articles, verb, être and verb, and at the end of the lesson some adjectives. So do watch the video till the end. So guys, there are lots of videos on parts of ears and nose, mouth, hair, head and forehead, the names of 5 fingers, etc. So go through these videos, and I specially designed small and short videos so your learning becomes easy. Okay, so go through all these videos. Then there's a paragraph reading on parts of face, le visage. Okay, all the links are there in the description box. So this is a video on paragraph reading of the face. So you learn the use of pronouns, indefinite article, how to use verb, être, parts of the face and colors. Okay, all links are there in the description box. So let's start. Now the first is head. Head means la tête, la tête. Okay. Now you should learn your nouns along with the article, because your article will then decide what should be the adjective, adjective possessive, and so many things. Because everything is masculine and feminine in French as well as in Hindi. So in my video on indefinite articles, I have explained the similarities of Indian languages and French. So I request that please go through that video. Okay. Second word is neck. Le cou. Le cou. It's masculine. Next is chest. So chest is la poitrine. La poitrine, feminine. Next is shoulders. That is le épaule. So together, l'épaule. L'épaule, feminine. This is stomach. So le ventre, and it's masculine. The article is telling you that it's masculine, le. Next is back, le dos, again masculine. Now this is your arms, means shoulders to tip of the finger. So this is arm is le bras, le bras. Now le bras is singular over here, in plural les bras, les bras. Now both the spelling in singular and plural are the same. So there's a video on plurals of noun. Please go through it, because there are lots of exception in French. Okay, so it's very must watch video. Okay, the link is there in the description box. So over here, le bras and les bras, only the article is changing, but we are not adding a extra s to make it plural. Okay, now next is elbow is le coude, again masculine. Hands, la main, singular, la main in singular, it's feminine. Then fingers, les doigts, it's masculine, means when you are going to use it in a singular form, it will be masculine. So legs, les jambes, feminine. Knee, le genou. Plural will be les genoux with the X. So guys, I request that go through the video of plurals of noun, because in French there are rules for making plural. If the letter is ending in U, A, L, and so many things are there, exceptions are there. So please go through the video of plurals of noun. The link is there in the description box. Next is feet. Le pied. Le pied. It's masculine. Now this is ankle. So ankle is la cheville. La cheville. Now toes. Les doigts des pieds. Les doigts des pieds. Masculine. Now paragraph reading. Voici a garçon. Garçon means a boy. So here is a boy. A is the article, masculine article, indefinite, and garçon. Garçon means a boy. So now over here, which accent is there? Accent Cydia, or the Sidla accent, right? So in case if you have missed the video on Sidla accent or all the accents, just go through the video. The links are there in the description box, because accents are very important. They play a very important role in French. Okay, so voici un garçon. Here is a boy. C'est Joël Pied. Say Joel Pierre. He is Joel Pierre. I've used just any random name. So the name of the boy is Joel Pierre. Okay. Il est faux. Il, your pronoun. A, verb être. Faux is adjective. So il est faux. He is strong. Il a. He. A comes from verb avoir. Third person singular. Il a quatre membres. He has four limbs. And robuste means sturdy. So he has four sturdy limbs. Il est fort. He is strong. Il a quatre membres robustes. He has four sturdy limbs. Voici le bras gauche et voici la jambe droite de Joël. Okay, so voici means here, le bras, arm, gauche is adjective left, eta is and, voici again here, la jambe means leg, droite is adjective which means right leg, and the Joël means of Joël. So I'll read it once again for you. Voici le bras gauche et voici la jambe droite de Joël. Clear? Il a deux mains et means he has two hands and. Il, he, a, verb avoir conjugation, the, two, mains, hands, eta is and, the pied solide. The again, two, pied is feet and solide is strong. It's an adjective over here. Okay? So, voici la main gauche et le pied droit de Joël. Now, voici here, la main, arm, gauche is left. So, here is the left arm and the right foot of Joël. Le pied, foot, droit is right, the Joël of Joël. So dwa you are seeing that over here E is missing. Why? Because le pied. Le pied is masculine. So this is the masculine adjective. So I again request that please go through the video of plurals of nouns. Okay. And adjectives will do a little later. So I read it once again for you. Voici la main gauche et le pied droit de Joël. Il a des doigts mains. Il, pronoun which means he, a, verb avoir, des, indefinite article, doigts, fingers, mains is slender or thin. So, il a des doigts mains, un long cou, a long neck. So, mains and long are two adjectives over here. Next, they could point you. They could point you means pointed elbows. So point you is one more adjective over here. So guys, before starting, a small request that do watch the video till the end, because at the end of the lesson there's a activity on adjectives. And one more request that please like the video, share and subscribe, and just don't forget to put your valuable comment. It means a lot to me, and a big thank you in advance. So let's resume. Mais des genoux ronds, mais but des genoux plural. So genoux has taken an X. Rond is round. It's an adjective. So because genoux is plural, so round also becomes plural. So please, I request again to go through the video of plurals of French nouns. Okay. Des épaules carrées. Now des épaules. We are going to read it as des épaules. Why? Because E is a vowel, so this S will be pronounced. So des épaules carrées. Okay, learn the spelling well of all these adjectives. Clear? So carré, it's again an accent over here. Which accent? Accent aigu. So I request that go through the videos of, there are two videos on accents. Go through them. The links are there in the description box. So mais des genoux ronds, but round knees, square shoulders, des épaules carrées, and last is un dos et une poitrine large. Un dos means a back and yun poitrine means chest, large means broad. So broad back and chest. Do a yun poitrine large. Okay. Now let's see the activity. So let's go through the adjectives quickly. Carré means square, rond, round, gauche, left, droite. Opposite of left will be droite. So right. Then robust, sturdy, faux, strong, solid, strong, large, large or broad. Then long. Long means long, mass, slender or thin. Last is pointu. Pointu means pointed. A knife is pointed. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching and please like the video. Thank you.